Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to change Activision's email with no verification. This is a bit tricky, but I'm gonna be very quick and I'm gonna show you easy steps for it. What you're gonna do first is open Activision's website, which is activision.com. Then you're gonna click on support. First you're gonna log in, obviously. Then you're gonna click on support. Once you click on support, this is what's gonna pop up. Then you're gonna pick on support options. Once you've clicked on that, it's gonna tell you what game you should select. You're gonna select Call of Duty Warzone. It doesn't matter if you play it or not, you're just gonna select that because this is the only way you can do it. Then you're gonna click on Steam, select the platform you use. Then they're gonna show you these options. You're gonna click on Activision's account. Once you've clicked on that, they're gonna show you more options. You're gonna click on the second one, which says I can't unlink an account. Be careful not to get confused by these two. Once you clicked on that, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see this. Submit a ticket. You're gonna click on this link right here. Once you've clicked on that, you're gonna type in what is wrong, like what's happening, and then you press on submit, and there you go. I hope this video has helped you, and thank you for watching.